Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error, cannot connect app store, something went wrong, please try again. If you want to install app then face this type of error on iPhone and iPad. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen, go back, open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Forget this network, tap on forget, and after a few minutes you have connect, and after that go back. If you use mobile data then turn on aeroplane mode, at least the 30 seconds you have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then scroll down, then tap on journal and tap on iPhone storage, and from here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that go back and tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on both toggle. If the toggle turn on, what you need to do is turn on and make sure that select correct date and time, and after that go back, scroll down, then tap on VPN and device management, and from here if you connect anyone VPN you make sure that disconnect, and after that go back, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then go for the last method, go back and scroll up, then tap on software update. From here you make sure that update your iPhone and iPad, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem share with me in the comments box, I am help you more. Thanks for watching.